Yes, can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So yesterday we have completed up to 15 commands, right?
Yeah, 15.
So 15 commands we have completed. Now after 15 commands, 16 command will be reason. So reason short form will be RE. So reason why we are using, whenever you are restarting your system, you are going to refresh your system, right, by using your mouse. So you're giving right click and you are taking a refresh command. So I'll show you here only. So just you are taking like refresh only here, right? How we are taking a refresh. So for this AutoCAD also we have refresh command, that is RE, reason. So just you have to type RE, enter. So what will happen, your AutoCAD will get refresh. So this refresh things and all, how it will get refreshed, that in further classes we will discuss. Just you need to type RE, enter, refresh. And then after reason, which one we have? Offset. For offset short form will be O. So let's say that here I am having one line here. So this I'm having line. So the same line only I want a different, so number of lines with particular distance. Same line only I want number of lines. So that time what you have to do, just select the object. And I'm telling you guys, whenever you are working, your left side fingers, ring finger should be always in your escape button. I'm giving you commands, so short forms and all. Your ring finger, right, sorry, left hand ring finger always you should be in escape button. And your thumb finger will be on space. So space we can use as a enter also. In our keypad, space button we can use as a enter also. Let's say that if I am selecting this one, E, enter. Enter means I can give space also. Now I am giving space. What happened now? Deleted. L, enter. Enter means space I am giving. So click and do. And after giving that one, what you have to give? Escape button. Escape. Your left hand ring finger should be on escape, and thumb finger will be on your space button. Remaining but fingers and all you have to monitor with your command. So that is short forms. If you want to work speed with your AutoCAD, so that will be short forms, which is very useful people. So now, so what I'm doing now, line, L, enter, line I made, click and pull. So the same line I need a different number of lines. So just I'm selecting this one, O, enter, offset. So O means offset. If I select this one, see, if I'm giving O means it's showing offset. O, enter, and give length. So you can see offset, specify offset distance. So here I'm going to give 150, enter. One line came. So I want right side means you have to pull your mouse into right side. Left side means you have to pull your mouse into left side. Which side you want? But you can't take top and bottom. For this vertical lines, click here. Again you want to continue, just again click here. Again click here. So this one also click here. If this same line you want some other distance, O, enter, half set, 300, enter, click. At a time if you want to multiple, L, enter, line, click and pull, select this object, O, enter, half set. How much you need distance? Maybe I'm taking 100, enter, M, M for multiple, M, enter. Then take your mouse, just give clicks, and take left side, give clicks. Save for this also. Selecting mine, O, enter, half set, 50, enter, M, enter. If I'm continuously clicking, it will come continuously. If I'm taking down, if I'm clicking continuously, it will come continuously. This is not only for lines. This offset we are going to use for diffuser correction. So REC, enter, click and pull, D, enter, 600 by 600, enter. And selecting mine, O, enter, offset, 50, enter, M, enter, multiple. So inside I am making like C circle also. C enter circle, select O enter offset 30, enter M enter. So how much you want dimension, so that you can give, and you can click. After completed that one, you have to press escape button. So this is about offset. Then I have move. Move means these objects. This object we can move from one place to another place. So let's say that this one, if you want to move, let's say that it's few things only I want to move. Maybe this and all. M enter move. Take a reference point anywhere. Just click and move. Whatever you can move at a time, one object or number of object, whatever. So here also I am taking this lines and all. M enter move. Click anywhere. Click and pull. This is about move. So you can totally you can move. See this totally I'm going to select now at a time. M enter move. Click and pull from here to here I am moving. After that, copy. Copy means we can copy same how we did move. Same, just I'm taking this one. CO enter copy. Click and pull. Again you can copy. See, for the difference between move and copy, if I'm taking this one, M enter move, I can move from here to here. That's it. One click only. But copy, you can copy number of times. CO enter copy from here to here, here. So here, wherever you want, you can copy. After you are working copy, you can escape. Clear? That is my copy command. See, if you can see here, command is RE, means whenever I am working. So I am working with the last few years with AutoCAD. So automatically my fingers will go RE, enter reason. So it means I am refreshing my AutoCAD. Always my fingers will go RE enter. And in bit control S. You can see here Q save means it will saved. Save and RE enter. Automatically my fingers will go. You should practice the way. And next, trim. So trim short form will be TR. Now I'm going here. So one object, if you want to trim any object, if you want to trim, we are going to use trim short form. So the trim form will applicable for single object. So the difference between, see, if I'm having here rectangular, same rectangle I'm preparing with line, L enter line. So click and pull and click, click, and click. So this is also rectangular and this is also rectangular. But the difference between this and this, so if I click anywhere, entire object is selecting. But if I select this one, it is selecting individually. Maybe this one, this one, this one. So this type of blocks will come multi objects, and this is called single object. This is called single, this is called multi. For single object only we can trim. So if I say TR, remember that trim double enter, enter again enter. I'm going here, you can see that red mark is coming. I can trim now here. I can trim this one also. I can trim this one also. But I can't trim this one because this is became single object. Same, this also I can't trim because this is a multi object, right? So if you want to trim this line, if you want to trim this line, how much you want to trim? There you want to separate with any object. Either you can, so let's say that I am changing my color. You can use our line, or you can use circle. You can use rectangular, whatever. You need to divide that object. So I'm having here one line. This line I want to trim per certain dimension. L enter line. So this I don't know dimension. So this I don't know dimension. This I want to trim. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm taking one reference line like this. This line I am moving M enter move 300 mm, 300 mm. So it's okay, 300 mm is length only. I can take. So this I have made one line. This line I want to trim with 300 mm. L enter line. So I am making line here. This one you can copy, you can offset, you can move. So offset 300 enter. I want only this line. I don't want this line. So that time TR double enter trim. Now we can trim. I am trimming this one. Then I am deleting these two references. Here if you go TR double enter trim, I can trim this one. I can trim this one because this line is dividing with one line. This one. TR double enter trim. This one I can trim. This one I can trim. This one, here, here, here I can't trim because this is single object. And TR double enter trim. This also I can trim. This also, this also, this also, and this one I can't trim. So this is about trim short form. And now extend. So extend means, see, so last trim we have discussed. Let's say that here I have one line. This line without dimension I have made, but this line I want particular dimension. Let's say that if I want this line in for 500 mm, what we are doing, M enter move. I am taking one reference line, this one, M enter move, selecting this one, moving or copying whatever 500 mm. Oh, 500 is less only. Okay, I'll take 200 M enter move. I am taking 200 mm. So this line I want, this one I don't want. What I am doing, TR double enter trim. This I have trimmed. Now DLI enter. So this is 200. Let's say that just I am changing color. This same line I want certain dimension. Certain dimension. L enter line from here to here. This is reference line. M enter move. Maybe I want 500 mm. 500 mm. Then extend. EX enter. Select first object. How much you have to extend. Select second object. So it will extended 500 mm. Now you can see 500 mm. Now not only this one, so this line I can move up to here. See, EX enter, select your object, enter this one, and here I have rectangular. Up to this rectangle I want to extend this line as well as this line. Then EX enter, select rectangular, enter this one and this one. We can extend at a time, single line, double line, number of line also we can extend. Right guys, that is about my extend. Then we have fillet. So fillet means, here only we can see. Let's say that here I have two lines like this. This fillet we are going to use for one horizontal line and one vertical line. So this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. Two different of lines we can use. For fillet short form will be F. F enter. Selecting one object, selecting second object. What happened? So it's maintain 90-degree angle. Maintaining 90-degree angle. So again I have different line like this. Here I have like these lines. F enter fillet, selecting this one and this one. F enter fillet, selecting this one and this one. Same, F enter fillet, selecting this one and this one. Same, this one and this one. So what happened? You have made one rectangle. If we are having lines like this, here also you can possible. Yes, we can possible, but the thing is other line will delete. If I want to fill it, I'll make here only. Let's say that here I have, you want, first you need to specify that which line you are going to fill it. Either you can do this one or this one. If you want to do top both, F enter, select this one and this one. What will happen? Remaining two lines deleted automatically. Control Z, F enter fillet, selecting this one and this one means what will happen? This one will delete. This is about my fillet command. And here you have radius. So actually this is not radius, here spelling mistake. This is O, radius. Radius short form will be R. Just opening mine. Here, if you are maintaining here 90-degree angle, right? This is 90-degree angle. If you want to maintain any curve, that time F enter fillet or enter radius. How much you want to give? Maybe I am giving 100 mm. 100 enter, selecting this one and this one. Now see one curve came. This one applicable for rectangular also. Now F enter, R enter, 30 enter, selecting this one and this one. Is it came? Same like F enter, R enter, 50 enter. This side I'm going to do. Correct? Here also we can do F enter, R enter, 100 enter, selecting this one and this one. This is about fillet and radius short forms. Next we have pan. Pan means, see, this is, now I'm zooming out my AutoCAD. If you want to move total AutoCAD file, I'm not telling that AutoCAD things. If you want to move here, you are working and same as well as let's say that this total I'm copying, CY enter copy from here to here I'm copying. I'm zooming, fully zooming out here. I'm copying here, but I need to work that side, whatever I'm having right side. That time what you have to do, P enter pan, one hand finger will come, click and move. You can rotate however you want. This one you can use like a scroll button press. If you press scroll button, it will act like a pan. See here, this is your pan command. So this is for moving your AutoCAD file, not AutoCAD things. On AutoCAD things, object means this is. I'm telling enter AutoCAD file. Next, array. So array short form will be AR. Array, why we are using? So let's say that we are having one rectangle like this. So first I like give you an array how we are going to use. I have rectangular number one rectangular here. This rectangular I want number of rectangular at a time, lengthwise and widthwise. That time I'm going to use array short form. Selecting this one, AR array, enter, R for rectangular, R enter. So you are getting 4 columns, 3 rows. So this is column and this is row. If you want to increase, you can increase. Here you can give numbers. Here you can number, or you can click and pull. You can increase this way, or you can decrease however you want. and in between the sizes also you can give here. If you want circle also you can make. C enter circle, select circle, A R enter, R enter. So here also we can click and pull. How many you want? Don't think that array AR enter and R for rectangular only we are using rectangular. So rectangular indicating that you want rectangular shape. So that is about array. Then I'm going for color. So color short form will be COL. So you can give color COL, enter. Your color box will open. Here you can select number of colors. However you want color, you can select from here. Or if you want to create your color, you can create from here. And color book. So this also color book that RL codes will call. Which color you want, light, dark, medium, high, whatever the things you can work here, but usually we are going for index color only. You want to take red color, just take red. Okay, then whatever the thing you are working, REC enter rectangular, C enter circle, L enter line. If you want main highlighted colors only, you can go here, you can take your colors. So main usually maximum we are using these colors only, but if you want more colors, you can use command COL, enter color, whichever. Now I'm taking yellow. Okay, REC enter rectangular, L enter line, C enter circle, whatever you want, you can take your color. And now do not. So do not short form we are using for, see here I am having circles, number of circles. This circle, if you want to make circle, C enter circle, click and pull. Here you have to give radius. If you want to maintain 1000 mm diameter, you want to give radius will be 500 mm, right? This circle is an empty circle. In this circle you don't have anything. If you want to fill the circle, that time you are going to use do not. Do enter, click and pull, 0 enter. How much you want size? Here do not, you have to give diameter 1000 mm. If you are taking click here, do not will come. You want to take number of, you can take number of. Again do enter do not, click and pull, 0 enter, 100 enter. See here I am taking very small one. If let's say that inside something you want to make highlight, means you want empty, do enter, click and pull, don't give 0, maybe give 300 enter, 500. If you see 300 will be hollow space, 500 will be outer to outer. Do enter do not, click and pull, maybe I'm giving 1000 enter, 1200 enter. So 1000 will be inside the hollow space, 1200 will be filled outer to outer. That is about my donut. And divide. Divide means, see here, let's say that here I am having one line here. This line I want to divide equal number of parts. Div, enter, select your object, how many parts you want to divide. If you want to divide 3 parts, you have to give 4 number. If you want to delete 10 parts, you have to give 11. How many parts you want to divide? Plus 1 you have to give. Maybe I'm going to divide 5. 5 means I'll get 4. 5, enter. Here you are not getting anything for visible. To visible these things and all, we have point style, DDP type. Just I'm giving DDP type. Enter. This one it gets selected. Which one you want? Either this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, whatever. You can select. So I'm selecting this one. Then okay. Now see here. Previously I have gave 5. It came 4. Now I am measuring. Is it same dimension or not? DLI enter. So from this corner to here, I'm getting 476. Again from randomly I'm taking this also 476. If I take from this to this, 476. It means my line divided equal parts. Again I'll show you. L enter line. So this is DIV enter. If I want to divide 3 number, I have to give 4. Select this one, 4, enter. Now it came 3. DLI, click from here to here, here to here. Now I'll show you how refresh will work. If I am zooming out fully, if I am zooming out, again I zoom in. What happened? My point style became large. If I am giving RE enter, it came its original shape. Now you see, you are not seeing any divide point. RE enter. Now it will be visible. Again zoom in, RE enter, zoom out. So this way we are going to use reason button. Then we have join. So join means here previously we have done one rectangular with the number of lines. Okay, I'll make here only L enter line. Here I am making one line. If you see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one will be individual. I want to make single object. Selecting this entirely J. J means joint. J enter. Now see it's become single. It will come for curve also. Here we have done curves, right? So this one on a separate, this one separate, this one separate. Selecting 3, J, enter, join. Now see that here also. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, J, enter, join. So join. So what we have done means from 16 reason to join 30 commands we have discussed today. So total 15 commands we have discussed today. In this 15 commands, anyone having doubt? So how to use the short forms, how to give, how we are giving commands, how we are implementing, is anyone having doubt? Please ask me. I'm telling you guys, you need to perfect in your AutoCAD drafting commands. Is anyone having doubt?